What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the 2022 Kia Sportage debut, and it has hybrid, PHEV, and diesel powertrains. Now, Kia unveiled the European version of the 5th generation Sportage ahead of its world premiere at the IAA Munich Motor Show next week. And the new crossover is designed specifically for Europe, although it mostly looks like the global model that was revealed in early July, and it's actually only 133 millimeters or 5.2 inches shorter. Now at 4,515 millimeters, 177.7 inches long, it's roughly the same size as the short wheelbase Tiguan, which is also designed specifically for the European market. And Kia says that the styling, tech, and powertrains have also been designed with European customers in mind. Now, although it's shorter than the global variant of the Sportage, the European model does share the same dramatic front fascia. That means a grille that links the brand's modern tiger nose grille to the distinctive LED DRLs, which form a solid boundary from the Matrix LED headlights. Now, in another first for the Sportage in Europe, Kia is now offering a black roof to help accentuate the crossover's distinctive design lines, and buyers will be able to choose from 17, 18, or 19-inch wheels that come in a range of 6 different alloy colors and finishes. Now, the interior of the new Sportage is also bold and sports a big, curving 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. An integrated controller, meanwhile, gives occupants a variety of options for interacting with it. Now, behind the steering wheel is a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that has been added with the latest full thin film transistor liquid crystal display for clear graphics. Now, drivers will be able to see maps on the screen and will always know it features the latest information thanks to over-the-air updates that will keep the infotainment up to date. Now, despite its smaller exterior size, the second row passengers will get 996 millimeters, 39.21 inches of legroom, and 998 millimeters, 39.29 inches of headroom, and owners will be able to make use of 591 liters, 20.8 cubic feet of luggage behind the rear seats, and with those 40-20-40 folding seats, the cargo space rises to 1,780 liters, 62.8 cubic feet. Under the hood, meanwhile, Kia is offering European customers a range of drivetrains that include a plug-in hybrid, a hybrid, and a mild hybrid, with also a diesel. The PHEV versions features a 1.6-liter TGDI engine and a 66.9 kilowatt permanent magnet traction electric motor with a 13.8 kilowatt lithium-ion battery pack. All in, it produces 261 horsepower, 265 PS, 195 kilowatts. Now, the hybrid model, meanwhile, uses the same TGDI engine and a 44.2 kilowatt electric motor with a 1.49 kilowatt battery and makes 226 horsepower, 230 PS, 169 kilowatts. Now, the mild hybrid model also uses the 1.6-liter 4-cylinder TGDI engine, which can make either 147 horsepower, 150 PS, 110 kilowatts, or 177 horsepower, 180 PS, 132 kilowatts. And the 1.6-liter 4-cylinder diesel engine, meanwhile, is available with 113 horsepower, 115 PS, 84 kilowatt, or 134 horsepower, 136 PS, 100 kilowatts, and features SCR active emissions control technology to help reduce NOx and harmful emissions. A 7-speed dual-clutch transmission is available for the 1.6-liter, as is a 6-speed manual transmission for all variants. Now, all European models are equipped with stop-and-go technology as standard. And along with a variety of engines, Kia is also offering a range of driving modes in the new Sportage. And a first for the marquee, in addition to comfort, eco, and sport, there's a new terrain mode that has been developed for driving on snow, mud, and sand. Now, the new Sportage will also feature an electric control suspension, which constantly adjusts damping control to keep the vehicle as sporty, comfortable, and capable as it can be at all times. Now, Kia's N3 platform is designed to be rigid and lightweight, improving handling and making the SUV particularly safe, and the automaker says that it also comes with advanced safety technology like forward collision avoidance and adaptive cruise control that uses navigation information to help keep the Sportage at a safe speed if it notices a sharp bend on the road ahead. Now, it also features intelligent speed assist to automatically adjust your cruise control speed when the limit changes. And Kia expects the new 2022 Sportage to go on sale in the UK early next year, and prices will be announced closer to that date. But with that said, what do you guys think so far about the new Kia Sportage for 2022 in the European markets? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the European debut of the new 2022 Kia Sportage. Now, if you guys want to further help support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, where you guys can donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you want t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, tank tops, everything Ron's Rise is there. Now, I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, so everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you won't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise news video. Peace.